Data is everything. So being able to see what data you have, what data you need, and then connecting that data together is really going to drive some really good business outcomes in terms of operational efficiencies, reducing risk, and of course, reducing costs. I'm Deborah Yorkman, Vice President of Marketing at SDI, the digital supply chain company. And I'm excited about the release of the ZEUS Supply Chain Analytics Guidebook. Really, marketing is about driving data literacy in order to help our customers make better informed decisions and survive and thrive in this very data-centric world. This ZEUS Supply Chain Analytics Guidebook is a powerful resource that will give supply chain professionals the ability to leverage data analytics and visualization so that they can address their pain points and connect the dots so they can make more informed, data-driven decisions that impact the performance of their facilities and plants. Anybody, regardless of how data literate they are, can look through this guidebook and say, oh, I've heard about that. They can read it and kind of relate back to, how does this metric impact my business? And so being able to see what the data means and how it impacts your business helps you better understand how to drive improvements and reduce risks. Data is everywhere, and I'd encourage anybody to download the ZEUS Supply Chain Analytics Guidebook and see what are the metrics that other organizations are tracking. What metrics impact your business, both upstream and downstream, and then really identify those opportunities where you're doing well and see how your data points can impact business performance.